Hey, how you doing? You alright?
Oh, you're the one that helped.
Yeah. How you doing? Not too bad. Good. You good?
Wow,
Alright. Oh, yeah. No, I record my my jobs now, especially these.
A few moments later.
I would have had to like either retain it or.
Hello, hi, landlord. Okay,
Yeah,
how you doing?
yeah,
Yeah, it's Yusuf. Yeah.
How you doing?
Not too bad. Good. I think it's been served, hasn't it?
Yeah.
No, it's been served. Can I go and replace the lock now, or?
I don't actually.
Yeah, if they say just to confirm with you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because if it's been served, then it's good to go. Yeah.
Fine,
Okay, cool. It's just the front door, isn't it?
I'd say the front door. There are. Am I allowed to go in?
Yeah, speak to him. It should be fine though. Yeah, it should be fine.
Am I allowed to go in?
Yeah, of course you. Yeah. Change the lock if you want.
Yeah.
Have a look as well, Papa.
Alright. How you doing? You alright? Yeah.
I remember the lifesaver.
I know. It was a while ago.
Do you come to a lot of these then?
Yeah, I'll do a lot of these.
Yeah. So
This is.
this one. Yeah. And then there is a back door.
Yeah, you want to do the back door as well, wouldn't it? It's up to you. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so probably that one as well.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So that's 3 locks. Okay, no worries. Let me get the stuff out. Ugh, yucky.
A few moments later.
Yeah, doing you alright? You alright? last one. So how long have you been trying to get these lot out for then?
2 years.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that's probably the longest I've heard actually. To be fair.
Courts are so slow.
Yeah.
I won the court case to get them out last December.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not right, man. And I bet it wasn't like this when you let it out.
But the carpet was new.
Oh
I
my.
put the carpet in while they were in.
Oh my god.
Well, basically, probably 3 years ago.
Oh man, it's not easy, is it?
Especially like I'm what you class as an accidental landlord, you know, like where it's
Oh,
This is my old family home. And
what's the plan? Are you going to sell up or are you going to... Yeah.
I just didn't want to have to do a load of work to it before I sold. But
Yeah, you might have to, unfortunately, yeah.
it's getting away from that.
That's good. Let's get some screws. Right, I'm all done. You're welcome.
Thanks for your help today.
You are welcome.
How do I pay you? Just send me an invoice or?
I will send you a payment link now.
Okay.
Once that's done, you get like a receipt. Let me write this out.
I only just saw your email as well. Sorry about that.
Oh no, that's fine. That's fine. No, that's
Okay.
fine. No worries. Okay, let's tally this up. So. Well, what I'll do itemize it separately. So I'll send you an invoice first, and then I'll send you a payment link second. Let me just write this out. Okay, so where are we? This is going to take a couple of minutes. Sorry.
That's right.
There's two of those. So plus two. And then such look replacement. Right, did you want me to address it to yourself or a business?
Yeah.
Yourself, yeah? Okay, cool. So, what was your name, sorry?
Joel. Joel.
J-O-E-L.
Matthews. Matthews.
Matthews. Email address, please.
Joel. Joel. B. Just a
What's the address here?
20 Blanche Street. 20 BLANCH.
Blanche Street.
East-
Is it Plaster or Canning Town here? It's Canning Town here. Okay.
Yeah, we're right on the border.
Yeah, right on the border.
Behind is,
It's
Blanche.
Plaster, yeah.
So
that's-
that's E16 4JR.
E16 for JR. Okay. Oops. Blanche Street. Make sure everything's okay here. That is. I've sent that, and I've sent you a payment link.
That's the invoice. Oh, I can pay. Oh, there is payment link as well.
Oh, you can pay there. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Oh, they must have updated this then. Okay, cool. That's great. Right, I'll leave you to that. Right, so you got a year guarantee on all the locks, but I don't know. You're setting up, ain't you? So, all right. Best of luck with everything, and thank you very much. Cheers.